Are you ready to break into real estate, but feel overwhelmed by where to start? Let me tell you the secrets that the pros don't want you to know. This is what every beginner must do before making their first investment. Hey, I'm Forhat, and I've been investing in real estate for over 4 years, turning small investments into big profits. I started just like you, unsure where to begin, but with the right strategies, I was able to build a successful portfolio in record time. In today's video, I'm sharing the 5 crucial tips that helped me avoid costly mistakes, save time, and build wealth faster. Whether you're looking to buy your first home or start a full-fledged investment portfolio, these tips will give you a huge advantage over other beginners. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for all of them. Tip 1. Start small and focus on cash flow. Here's the truth. You don't need to dive into massive real estate projects to start making money. In fact, if you want to win as a beginner, the secret is to build a solid foundation with properties that generate positive cash flow right from the start. Look, cash flow is the key to financial freedom. It's all about buying properties that pay for themselves. Think rental income that covers your mortgage, taxes, insurance, and still leaves you with a steady profit. This is how you start creating passive income and building wealth without risking it all. Instead of going big, consider starting with something like a single-family rental or a small duplex. These types of properties are easier to manage, and they can give you consistent income while you learn the ropes. Over time, your cash flow will grow, and you'll be ready to scale your investments to bigger deals. Start small, but think big. This approach not only lowers your risk but also gives you a sustainable path to grow your portfolio over time. Tip 2. Know your market. Here's the thing. Real estate is all about location, location, location. But how do you know which area will give you the best returns? The secret is to research your market thoroughly before jumping in. First, you want to understand local trends, things like rental demand, property value growth, and future development plans. A hot neighborhood today may not be as profitable tomorrow. There's a shift in demand. So make sure you're always looking at the long-term picture. Start by researching areas with strong rental income potential. Look for neighborhoods with low vacancy rates and growing job markets. Cities with new developments or infrastructure projects tend to see property values increase over time. Here's a tip. Look at historical data. If an area's property values have consistently appreciated over the last few years, it's likely that trend will continue. Plus, with rent prices climbing in certain markets, you'll be able to generate more rental income as you grow your portfolio. Tip 3. Leverage financing. If you're a beginner in real estate, here's a game changer. You don't need to have tons of cash to get started. In fact, most successful investors leverage financing to scale their portfolios faster and smarter. Here's how it works. Instead of waiting years to save enough money to buy your next property, you can use loans or private funds to help you purchase multiple properties with minimal upfront costs. This lets you build your portfolio without draining your savings account. The beauty of financing is that it allows you to maximize returns. Let's say you buy a property with a loan, but the property's value increases and you start earning rental income. You're not just making money on your initial investment, you're also using someone else's money to make even more. It's a win-win. Just remember, while leveraging financing can accelerate your growth, make sure your cash flow is solid, so you're not caught off guard by your monthly payments. Tip 4. Build a strong network. Here's a secret that many beginners overlook. You don't have to do everything yourself. The key to scaling quickly and avoiding mistakes is surrounding yourself with a solid team of professionals who can guide you every step of the way. Start by connecting with a trusted real estate agent, someone who knows the local market inside and out. They can help you find great deals and negotiate the best prices. You'll also need a contractor who can assess properties for potential repairs or renovations, because trust me, renovation costs can add up fast if you don't know what you're getting into. Don't forget about a lawyer to help you navigate contracts and legal matters, and an accountant who can keep your finances in check and help with tax planning. The right team will make all the difference in how smoothly your real estate journey goes. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder, and having the right people on your side can save you both time and money. Tip 5. Always do your due diligence. This is one of the most important steps in real estate investing. Don't skip it. Before you sign on the dotted line, you need to inspect everything. A property may look great at first glance, but there could be hidden issues that cost you thousands down the road. Start by visiting the property in person. Look for things like foundation problems, leaks, or signs of water damage. These are issues that can't be ignored. It's also crucial to review the property's history. Has it had any past issues? Was it involved in any legal disputes? These things will affect your bottom line. Next, make sure you're reviewing all the financial documents carefully: contracts, inspection reports, and rental histories. You'll want to be certain everything checks out before making an offer. Remember, doing your due diligence is about protecting your investment and ensuring that you're getting a good deal. You don't want to find out there's a major issue after you've already bought the property. Did these tips help you get a clear idea of how to start your real estate journey? Smash that like button if you're ready to dive into real estate investing and want more actionable tips like these. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos packed with advice on growing your wealth and building a successful real estate portfolio. Got questions or your own tips? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and help you out with anything you're curious about.